What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with penniesandthousands.com and another site for y'all, 1 day rewards. I want to give you a quick tutorial on this site. I'm going to cash out just to show you how I, use this site. It's a really good one. There's a lot of opportunities to make money on here. You see here on the home page. So the first thing I want to do is show you the offer walls that they have. They have lots of offer walls, lots of opportunities to make money. Just, all of these opportunities, you basically just go through and just find out what works for you. In these offer walls, you're gonna find out things like you basically just clicking on ads, watching videos, signing up for little stuff. All you do is submit your email and you get paid. I mean, there's a lot of money in offer walls. You just have to really just kind of go through and see what works for you. So I always recommend to go through the offer walls and just see what's there. There's always going to be money in them. You just have to kind of search. That's the only thing about it. You see here, there's a long list of them. So there's definitely something in here that not only that you're good at, but something that you can do. Um, then jump over to the surveys. There's opportunity with the surveys as well. If you'll kind of scroll down, you'll see so they got a 5-minute survey router, 35 cents for each one of them. I mean, just kind of scroll through and look at them. One I like to do is Samplicious. Your surveys is a really good one, but they have lots of different ones on here. Like whatever works for me might not work for you. So I recommend, again, just like the offer walls, how you're going through those and kind of seeing what works. Just take the time one day, just kind of go through and look at the survey routers. And once you find one that's really good, I recommend kind of sticking with that. So when you come onto the site, just go right back to that one. So for me, like I said, it's Samplicious. So I know when I come on this site, okay, let me go to the Samplicious, let me do a few of those, and let me try some other ones. And you see here, it'll always tell you how many have been completed that day. This offer has completed 35 times. This one has completed 91 times. You know what I'm saying? So people, they're using the site and they're making money with it. So you might as well get involved with it. All right. So now you see all of that. You see here on balance right here, $1.29, and I have a little bit over 71 tokens. Each token is equivalent to a penny. So I'm going to convert that real quick just to show you how that works. So you'll get paid in points, and all you do is go over here to convert them. Right here, I'm just convert the whole thing. I'm just gonna do the 71. Goes out to 71 cash, 71 cents, and then convert to cash, and then you'll see my balance in your cash jump up to exactly $2. So I'm going to cash out that. Real quick before I do, I just want to show you right here this little chat box. This is a really good chat box, and I wish a lot of more sites would do this because it kind of shows you what everybody that's using this site what they're doing to make money with it. So right here, you see this person right here, they earn 75 cents doing something to add studios wall. Okay, that's an offer wall, right? This person right here, they did something to offer that. That's another offer wall. So you just kind of see how everybody else make money, and then you kind of copy what they're doing. So you kind of scroll through and we'll see what everybody's doing and say, okay, that might work for me right here. This offer wall, 26 cents in doing that. So it seems to me that most people are making money with this site in the offer walls, which I told you there are a lot of them. So definitely jump over to them and see what works for you. Like I said, they're all easy. Majority of them are free. The paid ones, you don't have to do those. You can just do the free ones, but they are like mostly free ones. And like I said, it's just simple stuff. Just kind of look at what the description is asking you to do that, and then wait to get credited. And you'll usually get credit instantly, get your money. So definitely take a look at the happening now box and see what everybody else is doing, and get money that way as well. So I'm going to cash out real quick and show you the withdraw cash, show you the different options that they have. Now they have Amazon, which is a really good one. They got Google Play, another Amazon. They got Bitcoin. Bitcoin is really becoming popular these days. Bitcoin Cash. They got Cash App. Now I don't know any other site that's really paying in Cash App. That's really cool. They got Ethereum right here, the LTC wallet, and right here they got Payer and PayPal. And you'll see the minimum to cash out is 10 cents. That is very, very little. It should take you no time to cash out in this. Like when you have a minimum of 10 cents, you can get your money just like that, like within the first 5 minutes of signing up with this site. So definitely get involved with this. A minimum of 10 cents doesn't come around a lot. So when you have a site that's paying you like that, definitely jump on it. All right. So for me, I'm going to cash out with my PayPal account. So I'm just going to put that right here. Just type in my email address. And click withdraw, just make sure everything's good. And just kind of wait for it to go through and withdraw. And right there, your withdrawal has been added to the pending list. Now, it doesn't take this site long to pay me. They always pay in a respectable time. Like I would say, like within the first, no more than 2 days, it takes me to get my payment. So it's really good because sometimes you might have to wait forever, but another one where they're going to pay you in a respectable time. So you see here, I recommend signing up for this site. The link to it is in the description. Sign up today. It's completely free. There's plenty of opportunity to make money with it. So get started with it by clicking the link. If you're new to my channel, I definitely invite you to subscribe because I make videos all the time showing you guys how to make money online completely free. And if you're interested in knowing how to make even more money, please visit my website, pennies1000s.com. And that way you can see all the sites and apps that I personally use in order to make money with. All right. So get started with it today. Click on the link in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.